Hi guys, Tag 7 recording. First one, reading. Emotions are state or feeling that are often intense, last for only a short time and are clearly directed it or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotions include joy, pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positivism and joy to others by always trying to be positive and, and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Okay. The second one, minimal pairs. Cat, bat, white, wise, right, road, kite, night, take, stick, cuffed, cut, pin, bean, teal, peel, teach, pitch, day, pay, dig, pig, deal, peel, duck, buck, date, bait. Okay, tall, call, tool, call, tape, cape, tote, coat, town, gown, tie, guide, top, gap, tool, goal, tag, gag, table, gable, tin, fin, tail, fail, ton, fun, take, big. Okay. Number 3. Intonation. Statements with one stress. She works. We laughed. It stopped. Statement with two stresses. Tom is reading. Mike sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statements with three stresses. Children liked to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statement with five stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanja is reading the book you wrote yesterday. Special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Okay. Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What's your name? Where do you live? What did you say? Where have you been? Have you okay, general question, rising intonations. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag question following or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Command falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Frequent rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can, she can, he will, you should, I can't, he didn't. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks so much.